What's going on, guys? It's JJ here, back with another video. And before we start this, I just want to say I am sorry I didn't get those uploads in this weekend. I just had so much schoolwork. I'm sorry. You can blame me all you want because it's completely my fault. I knew that I wouldn't be able to. But I just got a new game for my birthday that's actually tomorrow. Alright, so in Jimmie Johnson's Anything with an Engine. And I've seen this game before. I've played it once, but I don't honestly remember how to play. And apparently it's awesome. So let's just jump right in. So let's do a career mode, attempt a practice run from Coach Rusty. Alright.
Hi there, I'm Jimmie Johnson, and welcome to Anything with an Engine. While the goal hasn't changed to be the first one across the finish line, the rest of the rules are just a bit different than your regular race. Here to give you the inside scoop is my driving coach, Rusty.
Well, Jimmie, this kid looks a little raw, but that's all right. So were you back in the day?
Gee, thanks, Rusty. Listen, Rook, I'll be checking on your progress, and you better pay attention out there. Make no mistake, these tracks are tricky, and will be the ultimate test of your skills. Rusty, take it away.
Okay. Ready, kid? You got your gas and your brake. Them stagger buttons.
Can I please go?
That's a steering wheel. So, let's get to driving.
Oh my god. Jimmie Johnson's Anything with an Engine. This is like Mario Kart.
Okay, let's try some power slide. To drift through turns, hold down the power slide button, either with or without
Power slide. It's like Mario. This reminds me of NASCAR Unleashed. Oh, mud pit.
Drive over them arrows up there for a nice boost. That's dino zippers.
You caught it.
I want to drift as much as possible.
Next, let's trip them light switches on the track up ahead. Fans love them, so you'll earn votes toward unlocking cool upgrades.
Yeah, whoops.
Remember, the green ones earn you more votes if you hit them all in sequence.
Dang it.
Well, looky here. You earned a level 1 nitrous upgrade. Double tap the gas button to get a burst of speed.
Woo!
Nice, huh? But watch your nitro indicator. The engine needs to cool off before you can do that again. Okay, the side rams is our specialty weapon. Trip more light switches so we can unlock them.
Light switches.
Now, hit the ram button to throw a sideways punch. I'm activating some practice cars. Crush them, and the public will shower you with votes.
Come on. Boom, we got that. Okay, let's try this. This is gonna be awesome. Okay. So this is like one of those games where you can do anything. Like Mario Kart. This is basically like Mario Kart. Except on the Xbox and it's Jimmie Johnson.
Normally, you earn one upgrade at a time.
It's a ducky vine! That's hilarious!
All at once. We got a button for each. Fire away.
What are these guys doing?
Another thing, watch your indicators to decide when to make pit stops, to repair your car, and reload your weapons. Let's take her in. Pit lane coming up on your right, buddy.
Whoa!
Now, tap the repair button as fast as you can to get her patched up.
Oh, that's cool. Alright. I'm only a little bit. Alright, that's cool. I like how that works. I saw it like starting to smoke, like quite a bit. Ah! There's my ducky mine.
Okay, sometimes the crowd may open up a special shortcut for their favorite driver that's lagging behind. Like this one right here. Take it.
Oh my gosh, what? This is hacked. Ah! Thank you, fans. You're the best.
You see the cars in front of you? Blast them with your missiles. See that big red button? Trip it to activate a gotcha trap up ahead. No two gotchas are alike, but all tracks have them. So
don't press them? Did he just say?
You just got a badge. You earn them badges during each race for doing best in many a fight. Them's just bragging rights, okay? Well, that about covers the basics, kid. Go another lap and keep practicing. We got 3 levels of upgrades for everything but them mines.
Speaking of mines, let's just put a ton down. Okay, I have none left. Run over my duckies.
Hey, great job out there, rookie. You do have some skills. Keep practicing. Maybe someday you'll have what it takes to battle me head to head. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Now go out there and show them what you
I want to
got.
just hit this. What just happened? Oh, okay. They just sent me back to the menu because I was all good. Career mode, slot 1, Jimmie's commentary. Select one of the slots to start a new career or, yeah, okay, I'll just do this because slot 1, I don't care. Yeah, slot 1.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Jimmie Johnson Racing. I'm Jessica Fox here with the man himself, Jimmie Johnson.
Thanks, Jessica. So, here we are at a brand new state-of-the-art racetrack in my hometown of El Cajon, California.
Cut
And
out.
we're ready for anything with an engine to go global.
But just because we've gone big leagues doesn't mean we've forgotten our roots. This high-tech stadium is packed chock full of tricked-out racing stages, outrageous vehicles, and wicked weapon systems. Right, Jimmie?
That's right. And none of this would be possible if it weren't for the hard work of my genius head engineer and chief pit coach, Russell Pig Knuckle Armstrong. Say hello, Rusty.
Howdy, y'all. Yup, we be racing tubs, coffins, shopping carts, you name it, we got it. We also got fire, water, Tesla coils, meteors, dinosaurs, oh, and more fire.
So, Jimmie, what do you say we get this season?
Hold on, Jessica. I've got a surprise for you.
I'm still recovering from your last surprise.
Please welcome the newest member to our team, broadcast legend, Buzz Dawson.
Wow, you hired
Yay.
Dawson without even asking me? The man is a disgrace.
Easy, Jessica. Buzz brings a wealth of racing knowledge and history to us. Okay, he was also dirt cheap. $50 a day, plus a used trailer home.
I'm trying to win back custody of my wiener dog from my third wife.
So, Jessica, Rusty, Buzz, I'm leaving it up to you to kick off this exciting new chapter of Jimmie Johnson Racing. Good luck.
Jessica, where can one get some hot noodle cups around here?
Oh, cut the crap, Buzz. We got a show to run.
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Oh my gosh. This is so weird. Alright, career cups. Bronze cup. Okay, let's just try this. It's kind of telling us to. Clean freak. Bargain Nana. Silver Spoon. Hazard Hicks. Megaton. Kiss of Death. Couch Potato. I remember that. I remember Couch Potato. Construction equipment. Boating junk. Toilet components and Rusty Dumper. Choose a driver for the bronze cup. Silver Spoon looks pretty good. Silver
Hey there,
Spoon.
rookie. It looks like you've decided to make a run for the Bronze Cup. Don't worry too much. We start off with a short, regular race.
Hillbilly Hoedown. Can't read it that well because it's shaking. Magnemite. I'm just kidding. Let's go Silver Spoon.
It's race time, boys and girls.
Oh my gosh. This is exactly like Mario Kart. I love hitting the A button. Oh, pigs.
Well.
Run to the horses. Rest in horses. Ah! Boom! Ah! Boars. Haha. Hey, whoa! Hey. I'm gonna have to get into the pits already soon. Boom! Hey, lay off. Boom! This guy's like a golf player. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, oh my gosh. Where's pit road? Where's pit road? There it is. Get out. Oh, I'm faster than everyone because I've got like no damage. Alright, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, penalty, I'm sorry.
See you at the clubhouse, loser.
Yup, goodbye.
Driver takes the lead, the grandstand go wild.
Oh, that's, what's this called? Vince Welsh or whatever. I don't know. Forget his name. Oh, come on. I couldn't escape that. Ah, Granny. Ooh, he ate me.
Here comes the final lap.
Them lines is perfect for when you got someone glued to your tail feathers.
We have a new leader.
Go! Watch out, boys. Ah,
Roadkill, sonny.
I'm sorry. Oh, why? Who hit the idiot? What are people doing?
He's looking a little rough around the edges, but I
What?
cold.
What is going on?
Nothing discourages a tailgater more than a line.
What was that?
Man, something to build on for their next race.
This is crazy. Alright, so I got 4th out of 8th. That's not that good, but it's acceptable. This is hard. Silver spoon. I got the most. Kiss of death. Alright, continue.
How's the season looking so far?
Not bad at all, Jessica. Shy of the top spot, but our team's holding their own.
Alright, we can do this.
What do you call 2 packs of drivers racing opposite ways? Some call it crazy, but around here, we call it Matador. Just watch out for all gummy traffic and don't get yourself turned around.
Oh, I thought that was supposed to be a joke or anything.
Hey, Jess, are you from Tennessee?
Huh?
Because you're the only 10 I see.
Alright, so anyway, I guess that'll just wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.